Is your Vizio TV constantly dropping its Wi-Fi connection? Well, it's quite common for network issues to pop up on smart TVs like Vizio, and we just might know what you need to do to get this issue fixed. So stick around till the end of this video and make sure to check out all the troubleshooting steps that I go through to get your Vizio TV back in action. The most probable reason for your Vizio TV to not connect to your Wi-Fi is when the network itself is unstable. Instability resulting from slow network speeds, high latency, and most importantly, a weak signal strength can all attribute to issues with your network. And the best way to check for issues like this is to connect a different device like your phone to the same network as your Vizio TV. Then try surfing the internet or check out our YouTube channel for more informative content like this. If you're still facing issues with your network, even on your phone, then you might have to refresh your network router. A power cycle test should suffice. All you need to do is unplug your router from its power source and plug it back in after a minute. Once your router powers back on, connect your TV to the same network and check if issues persist. Now, if it's the signal strength that's weak, try moving your router closer to your TV. You could also opt for Wi-Fi extenders or mesh networks to further enhance the signal. Now, if your current Wi-Fi is not working for you, you always have the option to switch to a different Wi-Fi network. Most Vizio TVs, say for the older ones, support both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, giving you a much needed flexibility if one of the bands doesn't seem to work with your TV. To switch the network of your Vizio TV, hop into the menu tab and navigate to network. Then select a different network band other than the one that you've been using. Enter the password to establish a connection. Eco mode is a nifty little feature on Vizio TVs that, once enabled, helps conserve power by shutting off all background processes once the TV becomes idle for a period of time. Enabling this feature also shuts down the Wi-Fi processes of your Vizio TV that can abruptly trigger your TV to dropping your Wi-Fi. And so, if you've been experiencing disconnections while your TV is in standby mode, all you need to do is to switch the power mode of your TV. Head over to the Settings tab and navigate to System. Then select Power Mode and switch the mode from Eco Mode to Quick Start. Exit out of the menu and restart the TV, and once done, check for the issue now. Last but not the least, if none of the fixes that I've mentioned so far seems to work for you, then it's time to factory reset your Vizio TV. When you reset your Vizio TV to its factory defaults, you get to revert all of its system settings and user data and wipe out any potential bugs or errors that might have been causing this issue in the first place. And so, to factory reset your TV, scroll down to All Settings and select Admin and Privacy. Select Reset to Factory Settings and select Reset TV. Once the reset is complete, configure your Vizio TV like new and you should be good to go. And with that, I believe that I've touched on everything that I wanted to talk about regarding fixing a Vizio TV that keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. If you found this video useful, do comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more Vizio content like this.